Take these chains from my heart and set me free. Well, see, some people, winter is all about putting chains on the tyres of their Jeep. But for me, it's all about cutting firewood. And you might think, what on earth is he doing that time of night cutting firewood? Well, those of you lucky enough not to live in England, you may not understand just how terrible English television is. And given the choice, I'd rather be out here cutting up lumps of oak than watching telly. Now, these are fairly wet. They're ribs from the old sea cow. They're oak. And they split quite nicely if you put an axe into them, but they are saturated. These pieces have come from part of the ship that gets flooded twice a day, so cut them, leave them to dry before I try to burn them.